In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI for course creation and e-learning. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking on Create New AI from the main dashboard. This brings me to the Creation suite, where I'll select the Generate option to build a course from a simple prompt. On the next screen, I ensure the Presentation tab is selected since I want a structured slide deck for my course. I'm going to adjust the length by clicking on the card count and selecting 6 cards to keep the lesson concise. Now, I'll head to the prompt box and type, Create a 6-card course on Introduction to Python. Once that's ready, I click Generate Outline. The AI takes a moment to process and then lays out a complete structure, starting with an introduction and moving through data types, control flow, and functions. I'll scroll through the generated outline to make sure all the key e-learning topics are covered. Everything looks great, so I'll click the Generate button at the bottom. Watch as Gamma AI builds the entire course right before my eyes, adding relevant text and visuals for each slide. Once it's finished, you can now edit and start changing the content if you want, or even add more slides to expand the lesson. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI for course creation and e-learning.